In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. To get started, open MetaMask either on the mobile app or through the browser extension. Before you do anything else, make sure you're in the correct wallet account because this is where your ETH will be delivered after the purchase is complete. Taking a moment to confirm that now can help you avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Once MetaMask is open, look for the buy option. If you're using the mobile app, simply tap Buy. If you're using the browser extension, you may see a Buy Sell option, which can redirect you to the MetaMask portfolio page to continue the process. Both paths are normal, so just follow the one shown on your screen. Next, select Ethereum, which may appear as Ethereum or ETH. During this step, you'll also choose the network you want to buy ETH on. In most cases, if you want standard ETH, you'll select Ethereum mainnet. It's important to pay attention here, since MetaMask allows you to choose both the token and the network during checkout. After that, enter the amount of ETH you want to purchase. Depending on the interface, you may enter this in your local currency or directly as a crypto amount. MetaMask will usually convert the value automatically, so you can clearly see what you're buying. Now choose your payment method. The options available can vary depending on your country and the provider. You may see choices like debit or credit card, bank transfer, or other supported payment methods. Pick the one that works best for you and continue. MetaMask will then show you a list of available providers and their quotes. This is an important step, so take a minute to compare them carefully. Look at how much ETH you'll receive, the processing fee, the network fee, and the total amount you'll pay. Even small differences can affect the final amount that lands in your wallet. If the provider requires identity verification, complete that next. This is often part of the process, especially if it's your first time buying crypto. Just follow the provider's instructions until verification is approved. Once that's done, review your order carefully. Double check the amount of ETH, your chosen payment method, any fees involved, and the receiving wallet address or account shown in MetaMask. When everything looks correct, confirm the purchase and follow the provider's instructions to complete payment.